Hey y'all, today I will be turning my blue wig blonde with the revamp. Here are the details of the video. Now let's get started. The color removal process has about 3.5 steps. In the first go round, I added a balanced amount of products by just ironing. This was terrible. I thought I was going to catch a fire, but it didn't. To avoid this, boil the water, take it off the stove top before putting in the baking soda, and reduce to low heat. With each step, I did a quick rinse or wash in between with the shampoo. In step 2, I put less water because the baking soda is what made the water boil over the first time. So here I added mostly baking soda than anything else. I added baking soda on the hair to sit for a minute while the next batch boiled. In step 3, I was running out of baking soda, so I used the rest of it and put developer in the water. After that, I took the cup that comes in the bleach to mix a small amount of bleach, developer, and shampoo for the closure and water. At first, this was going to take place as the baking soda, but it also helped with the blue and the closure going away. The color actually came out really well, but I wanted to go over with bleach so it can be a little lighter. So this is me bleaching the hair. I use aluminum foil to speed up the process of the developer. Since his hair already been through so much, I didn't leave it on for that long. I left it on for about 15 to 30 minutes. Now we're at the most important part of this whole process, which is deep conditioning. When you begin deep conditioning, don't be scared to use the whole bottle, because this is the most important step to put the moisture back in your hair. But when you rinse it out, make sure everything is completely out of your hair so your hair won't be left feeling sticky at the end. With that being said, this hair actually turned out to be really soft. It kept its moisture, and through this whole process, it did what I wanted it to do. So with that being said, I will leave the link below in the description to tell you where I got this hair from and the order, if I can find the details, because this is a long time ago wig. So this is where I started to flat iron it. If you haven't seen my last video I also flat ironed that wig in my revamp, so go check that out. That wig was red. So this is me speeding through the process of flat ironing my hair. This is usually not a process that I do, but because of the blue seeping into the closure, I did this step to put the color back into it. So this is the finished result. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.